In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the oil pressure switch on this Toyota Tacoma with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. Let's install this brand new TRQ switch. To access the switch, you can go from the passenger side of the engine on the side, either from the back or from the front. First thing I'm going to do is unplug the electrical connector. It's a single wire connector, so don't pull on the wire. It is very easy to break it. And sometimes these get stuck because they're out in the open here from debris, but there we go. Shake out the sand. And then you'll need a 24mm socket to break this free, unless you have an oil pressure sensor socket, or oil pressure switch, I should say. But 24 works just as well. Break this free, turn it counterclockwise, and remove it from the side of the engine. When you do this, keep in mind that oil might leak. Not a lot, just a little bit, but it will drip. Oh, there it is. Fell inside my socket. Remove it. Take the new switch and thread it on. There we go. It should thread on nice and smooth. Now, it's not supposed to bottom out all the way. If you look at the old one, the threads are about halfway out. So you're going to have to tighten this by feel. Once you feel that it gets snug, just give it a tiny bit extra and stop there. Okay, that got snug. Just give it a little extra, and that should be good. Remove your tools. Let's plug it in. The connector does not necessarily have to be facing the exact same direction as it did before, as long as it is properly tightened. Line this up. Make sure it clicks when you press it on. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.